Alright, I will be tying a green woolly bugger. We'll start off with 140 denier, green thread, and lay out a thread base. I'm using a size 4 2x long hook. Then you can get your marabou. You want about one hook shank length of marabou. Tie that on to the back and tie it up to the front. I'll cover the rest of the feather. And you can add flash to the tail, but in this I will not be adding any. Now we can add our hackling feather. I'm using green saddle hackle. Tie that in right in the back. Get that secured. And then we will add some green chenille to it. I'll strip off the end of the tip so we can get a nice tie-in point. We'll tie that down almost to the back. Leave a little bit of space. Then I'll bring our thread forward and I will tie a half hitch. And then put my thread on the holder. Now I will wrap forward the chenille in touching wraps. We'll bring it all the way up to the bead. And then I'll tie it down, putting thread wraps behind and in front of it to secure it. Then I'll cut it off. And I will do another half hitch. And now I will bring forward my hackling feathers. I'll do a couple wraps around the head just to get some more action, and then I'll tie it off. And we'll cut it free. Pull this little marabou off. And then I'll whip finish. Two times. I'll cut my thread free. And add some head cement. Just a little dot. Use my finger to press that in. Bring it around. And here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.